the job that I have is trading. So how am I going to make this guy money in the most efficient way? Think about it, because that is where the secret is. What's up, traders? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you've had an amazing session. I want us to talk about a few things before we look at today's charts. So this is you. You are free. This is your freedom. But you'll never be free if you don't understand this 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I am at this stage. I can smell the freedom. I am at this stage. So, I want us to talk about just this pyramid, because it is key in understanding how your trading journey is going to be. So, identifying your strategy is the lowest in terms of this hierarchy of stages here. It's the lowest stage, and this is where most guys are, because you pick a strategy but you don't master a strategy. So say for example with Stacy Buck's strategies, there are a lot of strategies. There is the 3-day setup, pump and dumps, and I don't know what you're trading, but picking a strategy and running away with it is the best you can do here, because you have to master it. Then once you understand what you are really doing in the market, then now you can move on from this stage. And this is where most guys really struggle, because I struggled here for about 3 years, because once you start picking a strategy, you find that it's not working, but it's not working for 1 week. So you try to adjust it. It's just 1 week. Give it time. So picking a strategy and giving it time to understand how it works with your personality, that is the first step here. Now, the second step is discipline. Guys, discipline is one thing that is hard to master. If you are not in the disciplined forces, you are just a guy who decided, hey, I want freedom, and yeah, let's find a way to be free. And Forex is a vehicle. But you need to understand, this is you. This is where you want to be. This is where you want to be. And you will never be this guy. You will never attain freedom if you don't master discipline. Now, I'll tell you a way that I realized, oh, so this is how it makes sense. It makes having discipline and sticking to the plan easier. So discipline is key, and discipline cuts across everything. So the way you wake up in the morning, the way you conduct yourself, because there are some milestones you have in life. Maybe it's reading books, or organizing yourself, being clean. All these things, they fall under discipline. That is when you come to the market now, it aligns with everything that you do. Not that you are trying to put discipline in Forex and you are not disciplined in the rest of your life. Come on. And then now when it comes to business, now this is where you detach yourself from Forex, from the trades. And this is one thing that I am mastering. I'm in the process of mastering it. That is where you are the boss and you are also the employee. So the boss is this guy. So you can see yourself in the future. You can see your future clearly. You can feel everything about your future. Now, for you to reach here, you must put in the work. And you must detach yourself from the business so that you can objectively look at what's working, what can you add, what can you remove. So this is the hardest thing, because after this is freedom. After this is freedom. And this is where there's a big wall, because we are climbing this mountain. And when you get to this business side now, this means that you understand your strategy, you are disciplined. So now it's time to make money. But having financial discipline is not something that we are taught. So it's It's hard for most people. For me, I can tell you, I am making so many mistakes in the business side of this trading. Now, I know I can't blow up my account, and even if I blow it, it's not the strategy or the discipline, it's the business aspect. That is where you are scaling in at the correct times, uh not taking losses personally. What else have I been implementing? Sticking to the rules as it, like, 100%. There is no, let me try and see if I'll take 15 pips here as a scalp. If it's not in your business plan or in your business strategy, then why are you taking it? Why are you taking it? Now, I cannot talk much about freedom, but I have seen my own freedom. I know what I want in life. So now, this is what I'm doing. This is the secret formula. I am looking at life in terms of two people. So I am an employee of Jose KAMAU Trading. This is Jose KAMAU. Now when I take trades, when I come to the markets, I'm asking myself, I want to make money for this guy because he's my boss. If I don't make money, he is going to fire me. If I don't make money, he's going to fire me. And the job that I have is trading. So how am I going to make this guy money in the most efficient way? Think about it, because that is where the secret is. How are you going to make money for your future self in the most efficient way so that you don't get fired and the market will fire you? You'll blow up your account and you'll have no job. So that is the secret that I am using right now. I am an employee, and then at the end of the week, I come and we discuss with the boss how the week went, and then we look at where can we improve, what are the things that, what did we learn, so that we can implement the next week. I don't know if you're getting it, if you're getting me, but this will help you in your in the way you just trade. This is going to help you 100%. This is going to help you. So let's jump into the charts today. So we have week 1 of this month. We have week 2, as you can see the way I have color coded them. Week 1, week 2 went higher. Week 3, of course, it's just day 1, day 2, day 3. So I'm expecting prices to continue moving higher this week. The whole of this week, maybe we might continue going higher. And I don't know how the market will behave, but yesterday the market did a reset of day 1. And how do you define a reset? So we had this consolidation, right? So rather than the price breaking down and coming to this zone, the price has broken below and then broken back in. So this is a failed breakout. A failed breakout with a break of structure. So it has continued. So now this is day 1, this is day 2. Tomorrow will be day 3 if the market continues high. So today, the 15-minute candle actually could have given you a guess about where the market is going. So we have this pin. Of course, when I see a pin like this with a very big, it's a big pin with a small candle, I'm expecting price to come back to this level. Okay? And then the market broke out and continued higher. So anyway, I'm waiting for day 3 and see what happens. But this is a nice pump to the high. So the bigger the pump, the bigger the dump. So hoping tomorrow or Thursday we will have a nice beautiful setup at the high of the week. Yeah. So hopefully you got some value from today's video. Stay disciplined, stay focused. Remember, you are an employee of your future self. So don't fuck up your future self. Be disciplined, be focused. See you in the next video.